Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 15, Part B. The diagram shows the graph of y equals x divided by 2 minus 1. Write down the equation of each asymptote. In this question, we need to find the asymptotes of y equals 2 divided by x minus 1. First, let's understand what an asymptote is. An asymptote is a straight line that the graph gets closer and closer to, but never actually touches. Now, let's solve the question. The equation of the given graph is y equals 2 divided by x minus 1. The general form of this type of graph is y equals a divided by x minus h plus k. As we know, the vertical asymptote occurs when x is equal to h. In our equation, h is 0, so the vertical asymptote is x equals 0. Now let's find the horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote occurs when y is equal to k. In our equation, k is minus 1, so the horizontal asymptote is y equals minus 1. Great! X equals 0 and y equals minus 1 is our answer. Just for a further explanation to our answer, let's have a look of these asymptotes on the graph. This explanation is just for your understanding and not needed for the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.